Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Tonight, I'm thrilled to bring you a special feature about an award-winning writer and academic named James Shapiro. He just won a prestigious award for his non-fiction novel 1599, A Year in the Life of William Shakespeare. The goal of his novel was to understand the immense anxieties of the age, and some of the inspiration for this comes from his own experiences. James used to save up during his young adulthood to destinations in the UK such as London, Stratford, and Edinburgh. He would see 25 plays in 25 days, the most powerful of which was Richard Eyre's Hamlet at the Royal Court in the 1980s. This has especially influenced his work in showing how political and social context is embedded in Shakespeare's works. Currently, James is advising Tony Award-winning director Kenny Leon's production of Hamlet for the Public Theater in New York, which is set in a post-COVID 2021 and stars Otto Blanksenwood as the prince. He notes that these plays always spoke to the moment, and that various interpretations, like Olivier's or Brennau's interpretations, aren't the only ones. The National Endowment for the Humanities in the U.S. originally rejected James' grant application for 1599 twice. He wanted the novel to talk about the country's imminent invasion of Ireland, their fear of what would happen when Elizabeth I died, and the ongoing battle with the Spanish Armada. He also wanted to explore the changing of Shakespeare from being seen as from another planet to being seen in the scope of its time, as he felt it was more Shakespearean that way. In comparison to fiction writers, James admires the way creatives can tease out less visible facts. He does, however, draw a line between the two, which is why he couldn't bring himself to read Maggie O'Farrell's Hamnet, a reimagining of Shakespeare's family. Instead, his upcoming work Playbook will focus on America's Federal Theater project of the 1930s and how powerful theater has been in its own historical periods, then and now. It is clear that James has a profound respect for the works of Shakespeare and all that can be drawn from them. His passion has led to thoughtful and focused work which has won him awards, like the winner of Winner's Award from the Baillie Gifford Prize. I'd like to thank him for taking the time to talk to us and provide more insight into his story.